To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. You can either tap the Share a Song option above your profile picture, or select New Chat icon in the top right corner. On the next screen, tap New Note. Now type a note of up to 60 characters. You can also add music as your note from here. There's also an option to share a GIF as your note. By default, your note is visible to your friends on Messenger and Facebook for 24 hours. To adjust this setting, tap Change. First, select who can see your note. Then choose how long it should be visible. After that, tap Save in the top right corner. And finally, tap Share in the top right corner to post your note. Your note will now appear at the top of your friend's Messenger inbox and on Facebook, where it will remain visible for the duration you selected. If you want to delete your note, tap on it. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap Delete. Your note will be removed immediately, and will no longer be visible to your friends on Messenger or Facebook. So that's how you can add and manage notes on Facebook Messenger.